Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I feel like I should know what's in this box. I recognize the name on the other side. Actually, no, wait. No, I don't. This is a different box. Sorry. These priority boxes all look the same, and I've got like 5 of them unopened to my right. So, okay, no, I have no idea what's in this box. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out, get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support means the world to me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. This is one of those where I probably could just rip into it with my hands, but for the sake of tradition, I'm going to struggle into it with, interesting. Okay. Well, what do we have going on here? A mini Griptilian. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I know what this is. Wait a second. Oh, how do I even begin to explain? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a Benchmade Griptilian that has, if you've ever been a part of my live streams, you probably have, out of confusion, reached a segment where I sometimes refer to it as pickle time, or I say it's time to make your pickle jokes, whatever. This somehow evolved and continued, and it became like, whether I say it's time or not, people just start doing it. This ended up translating to my Discord, or spilling over into the Discord, and we now somehow have a section in there called Pickle Nights. It's still kind of confusing exactly what it is, but apparently Sarah, or Brooke, had decided to get a custom Griptilian with a pickle laser engraved on the blade, and then Pickle Nights on the other side. Now, due to a series of events that occurred all on my Discord, she ended up not needing this anymore, and then somebody bought it and apparently decided to ship it to me. So this is wonderful. I'll have to get the details. I mean, by the time you guys see this, I will have received clarification on this. But this is pretty cool. What are the scales? These are the original Grivery or FRN or whatever scales. But why do they seem different? Maybe that's just what they look like. But this is an S30V mini Griptilian that has been that's been customized and used a little bit. This is pretty epic. So, boy, that was weird. I have no idea what the thumbnail will be. Maybe the thumbnail will be this. Or this. How confusing. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to... Well, this was interesting. I'm sure it was entertaining for the folks who are on Discord. Hopefully it was entertaining for the rest of you, not too confusing. In any case, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Thank you so much for sending this, Brooke. I appreciate that. If you enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.